we love what we do every day.
We approach each day as how can we help someone?
The reason I chose real estate, it was really a family thing. My grandmother and mother were very involved in real estate. My mother was a true trailblazer. She taught me everything I know about the business.
So before real estate, I actually was pursuing an acting career. From there, I had the distinct pleasure to be part of the original Microsoft corporate test site. I chose real estate because the freedom that it gave me as a single mom. I have two people who I would consider mentors in my life. My father was my first, who taught me the importance of integrity. My second biggest influence happens to be my business partner. How do you work across the desk from someone with 40 years experience and not learn from them every single day?
We handle the North Shore of Suffolk County in the Stony Brook area, which incorporates Setauket, Port Jefferson, and into St. James as well. We are very actively involved in our local community. In the last 2 or 3 years, we've been focusing on the Stony Brook Children's Hospital. Holly and I have just pledged $100,000 for the cause. It's wonderful, and it's right in our backyard.
Both of us are very caring individuals, but we also have a crazy sense of humor.
Blah, 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 blah. When marketing, we try to be creative and unique in each and every listing.
Both of us approach the business very personally. We look at each client and each property as something that is unique and new.
I think it's important as full-time agents to be out in the field every day so we stay on top of the pulse of the market, and we're very knowledgeable about current prices and trends.
I love the historic neighborhoods that are within the area.
I've restored and lived in over 20 homes. When it comes to antiques, I love the hunt. It's really a treasure hunt, and finding something valuable or something important that no one else recognizes brings great satisfaction.
So I recently purchased a 200-year-old home, which has launched me into the love of DIY.
What makes the O'Dwyer Brainerd team stand out is our sincerity. The combination of experience, knowledge, connections in the community, Holly's incredible skill and technology. With the O'Dwyer Brainerd team, you're getting the dedication of experienced agents, the integrity of the Daniel Gale brand, and the global reach of Sotheby's International Realty. The perfect trifecta.